Are you in Zambia and looking for a reliable way to send money to China using WeChat or Alipay? Maybe you're paying suppliers, shipping agents, tuition fees, or ordering goods for your business. In this video, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to send money from Zambia to China without stress. Let's get into it. Sending money from Zambia to China is not always straightforward. Most local banks don't support direct transfers to WeChat Pay or Alipay. International transfers can be slow, fees can be high, and sometimes payments even get rejected. If you're importing goods from China, delays can cost you serious money. So, what's the solution? The easiest way to send money from Zambia to China using WeChat Pay or Alipay is through a trusted payment agent who understands both systems. That's where I come in. I help individuals and business owners in Zambia send money securely and quickly to China using WeChat Pay Alipay. Whether you're paying a supplier, factory, freight forwarder, or agent in China, I handle the process professionally and efficiently. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Tell me the amount you want to send and provide the recipient's WeChat or Alipay details. Step 3. Make your payment locally using the agreed method. Step 4. I process the transfer to China. Step 5. Your recipient confirms payment. Fast, simple, reliable. Now you might be asking, why should you choose me? Here's why. I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have years of experience handling digital payments and currency exchanges. I value transparency, no hidden charges, fast processing times, professional communication, strong reputation built on trust and results. When you're dealing with international payments, trust is everything. And I protect my reputation seriously. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, you must contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through other unofficial channels. WhatsApp only. If you want to send money from Zambia to China using WeChat Pay or Alipay safely and efficiently, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your international payments smooth and stress free. See you on WhatsApp.